Hello, Algebra 1. This is the video for your practice problems for lesson 3. So number 1, show that 3, -3, square root of 9, and negative square root of 9 are each a solution. I did that up here in this first step. And then number 2, show that 9 and square root of 3 are each not a solution, which is down here. Just one thing to note, that when you take a negative times a negative, it will be positive, so that's why the -3 works. And then when you take the square root of 9 times the square root of 9, you will just get 9. Number 2, solve that x minus 1 squared equals 16. So that would be -3 and 5, because if you plug -3 in for x, you will get -3 minus 1, which is -4, and -4 times -4 is 16. And then if you plug in 5 for x, you get 5 minus 1 squared, which is 4 squared, and that equals 16 also. Number 3, we are going to explain what is done in each step. So step 1, we just multiplied both sides by 9 to get rid of the denominator over here. And then step 2, we divide both sides by 5 to get the y squared by itself. And then step 3, we need to find one or more values that, when they are squared, they give us 9. And so that would be 3 and -3. Here is number 4. Diego and Jada are working together to solve the quadratic equation x minus 2 squared equals 100. So Diego solves the equation by dividing each side of the equation by 2 and then adding 2 to each side. He writes x minus 2 equals 50 and then x equals 52. Jada asks Diego why he divides each side by 2, and he says, I want to find the number that equals 100 when multiplied by itself. That number is half of 100. What mistake is Diego making? He wants the square root of 100, not half of 100. Instead of 50 in his equation, he should have 10. 2, if you were Jada, what could you say to Diego to help him realize his mistake? You could say, if you substitute 52 back into the equation, would the two sides be equal? Or does 50 squared equal 100? Or what number or numbers when squared gives you 100?